Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. My name is Sabah Tahreem, roll number 1838. Today, the topic of my presentation, reasons of post-harvest losses of fruits and vegetables grown in different regions of Pakistan. Introduction, production, growing area, post-harvest losses. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inshallah, I shall try to deliver in better way to satisfy all the students. First of all, introduction. Fruits and vegetables are the most perishable produces. Post-harvest loses expression in the word degradation in the quality and quantity of the crop products from harvesting to consumer use. Inappropriate post-harvest handling can cause the losses in quality and quantity in agriculture crops. It is also responsible for the increase of price of agriculture products in Pakistan. Agriculture experts believe that these losses responsible for the less return back to the farmers, affect to processors and causes loss of trades and country income, also affecting foreign exchanges. One third of food products for human consumption is lost or wasted globally. The post-harvest losses in cereal, crops, fresh vegetables, and fruits in the resulting of disordered and infectious diseases, which really different in the production area, communities, and seasons. Both quality and quantity are the main causes of the loss in agriculture benefits. These are in responses of stress related to excessive heat or cold, inappropriate mixture of the environmental gases, and most important, inadequate storage, transportation, and most important is the poor management. In Pakistan, 13.674 million ton fruits and vegetable produce. Pakistan falls in the list of the developing countries. In Pakistan, post-harvest losses of fruits and vegetables is 30 to 40%. In Pakistan, the total fruits and vegetables are produced nearly 13.647 tons, more than 50% in mulberry, apricots, cherry, while in almond and walnut is 6%. In horticulture crops, the 40% low prices as compared to the world average price due to the low standards of post-harvesting management. Reasons of post-harvest losses. Inappropriate post-harvest handling, infectious diseases caused by bacteria, fungi, mold, storage condition and transportation. Environmental factors are most important like temperature and humidity. Mechanical losses during harvesting and packaging. Longer shipment also causes of heavy losses. Now I am going to discuss about the introduction of mango. Scientific name of mango, Mangifera indica, king of all fruits, second main food Pakistan. Pakistan is the sixth largest producer of mango. Mango also in a tradition market in Oman, UAE, United Kingdom also. The main mango growing district in Punjab and Sindh. The main mango growing district in Punjab provinces are Multan, Bahawalpur, Muzaffargarh, and Reemyar Khan. In the province of Sindh is mainly growing in Mirpur Khas, Hyderabad, and Thatta. Post-harvest losses of mango. Mechanical damages, low temperature, pathological factors. First of all, mechanical damages. Mechanical damages fruits will normally deteriorate rapidly and should not exported. Damaged regions are susceptible to microbial infection, particularly when low temperature term storage is used. Carefully handling should there during harvesting and handling operations such as grading, packaging, and transportation. Now I am going to discuss about low temperature. Storage at temperature below 120 centigrade will result in chilling injury, symptoms of which includes inhibition, inhibition of ripening, pitting, internal discoloration like discoloration of the skin, increased water losses, increased susceptibility to decay, detrimental changes in flavor. Pathological factors. Infection by microorganisms is generally the most serious cause of post-harvest losses in mango. Diseases incidence can be reduced by good orchard management, pre-harvest cultures, practices, appropriate handling, and post-harvest treatments. Introduction of banana. Musa acuminata is also known as banana. Banana is type of fruit from herbaceous plants. Banana is major fruit crop of Pakistan, growing on 34,800 hectares with production of 1 lakh 54,800 tons. It is mainly grown in Sindh province, where the soil and climatic conditions are favorable for its successful cultivation. The total share of Sindh province alone is cultivation is 87%. Post-harvest losses of banana. Post-harvest losses of banana due to the unskilled and uneducated labor, wrong use of technology, wrong or delayed harvesting, early or delayed marketing, poor storage conditions. Introduction of Gava. Gava, scientific name Stridium guajava, valued for its taste and aroma. It was originated in tropical America, high vitamin C and mineral content. In Pakistan, an area of 58.5 thousand hectares with production of 468.3 thousand tons. Punjab 80% growing area under the cultivation and Sindh 20%, both are producing Gava. Post-harvest losses of Gava. Gava is highly Post-harvest losses is highly prominent in Gava because of its high perishability and during transport conditions and uneducated labor, causes of the post-harvest losses of Gava. Introduction of apple. Malus domestica is the scientific name of apple. Deciduous fruit tree. Apple tree are cultivated worldwide, symbol of healthy in Pakistan and area 0.23 million hectares and production is 32.6%. Mustang district of Balochistan province is the center of apple. Post-harvest losses due to total losses in apples by transportation due to the poor packaging, due to improper handling, and during the cold storage. During the transportation of the apple, most loses because the apple transported from Quetta, Swat, and Murree to Faisalabad market during the month of August, September, and November were found to be 23 to 25% respectively in apples kept under the conditions of cold storage for 22 weeks. Loses were found to be 28%. Introduction of strawberry. Strawberry, scientific name Fragaria ananissa, widely grown hybrid species of the genus Fragaria. It is a cultivated worldwide for its fruit. The fruit is known as its characteristics aroma, bright red color, juicy texture, and sweetness. Post-harvest loses mainly the production of the strawberry in cultivation increasing Punjab, growing region Sheikhupura, Nankana, Gujranwala, Sialkot, Gujarat, Kasur, Sargodha, etc. Now, post-harvest losses of the strawberry. Diseases are the major causes of the post-harvest losses due to the fruit injury because the highly perishable fruit shipment during high carbon dioxide and not proper cooling storage condition at 0 centigrade or 32 centigrade. Now, I am going to discuss about the introduction of tomato. Plant Solanum lycopodium, scientific name commonly known as tomato. The lycopene in a tomato is reported to control the growth of cancer cells. Tomato are loaded with vitamin K and calcium. In Pakistan, total production was 2 lakh 75,811 tons. Production of the tomato in Sindh was 29,826 tons. Now the post-harvest losses of the tomato. Following steps involved losses occur due to the immaturity or over-ripening, mechanical damages, poor harvesting methods, rough handling during the post-harvest, and improper packaging and proper transportation conditions, because this vegetable is very perishable. And the introduction of the melon and watermelon. Cocoa mellow, smooth-skinned varieties such as cassava, and cantaloupes beneficial to people with heart diseases. Cantaloupes, scientific name of watermelon, high level of potassium, beneficial for high blood pressure. Watermelon, um, watermelon Citrus lentus is a tropical fruit originally from South Africa. In terms of production, Punjab, growing area or production area where this fruit is very grown. Punjab 55.87%, Rajasthan 21.29%, Sindh 10% to 9%, and KPK 11.84%. Post harvest losses of melon, both melon and watermelon, high perishability of melon, physical damages and diseases, transport at improper handling, uneducated labor, not proper storage condition. Introduction of grapes. Grapes Vitis vinifera, scientific name, originated in West Asia. Grapes can be eaten as fresh, used of making jam, juice, jelly, vinegar, wine. These are 10 varieties of grapes can be grown in Pakistan region. The most famous are Quetta, Mustang, and Kalat. Post-harvest losses of the grapes. Post-harvest losses in grapes range from 16 to 23% post-harvest losses of grapes, and depending on the method of marketing, transportation, and due to the improper packaging, not proper packaging during the and the transportation. Introduction of the pomegranate. Pomegranate or Neopunica grantim, healthy related properties, spherical fruit of a thick reddish skin, sheltering hundreds of juice trapping seeds in Pakistan. Area under pomegranates cultivation is 9,434 hectares. Annual production of 42,641 tons. Post-harvest losses of pomegranates. Post-harvest losses comprises of 6% at field level, 8.09% during the transition mean transportation, and at whole sellers level 11.39% at the retailers level. Rajasthan is a major producer of pomegranates. Introduction of capsicum. Scientific name of capsicum, Capsicum annuum, originated from South and Central America. Plants are bushy, about 60 to 80 centimeter high, and semi-perennials that are grown as annuals. Total production of capsicum 1,45,856 tons. Post-harvest losses of capsicum. Uh, Post-harvest losses amounted to 28.6 and 38.7%. Bruising was the major cause of wastage, physiological and pathological damages in the field, packaging house, and the storage stages. Introduction of the potato. Staple crops in many countries. Third most important food crops, potato. Scientific name Solanum tuberosum. Potato is grown in Pakistan 1,60,400 hectares on an average. 4 million tons potato. Punjab 86%, KPK 9%, Rajasthan 4.5%, and Sindh 0.5%, where the potato are more grown. And region areas, post-harvest provinces of the Pakistan. Post-harvest losses in potato handling, during handling, processing, transportation, storage condition, one side to another other side, microbial attack like fungi, bacteria, and uneducated labor, um, not educate the labor, dealing, and the lack of the temperature management, poor packaging material. Reduction of cauliflower, species Brassica or Oleoresa pisca in the genus Brassica, an annual plant that reproduces by seeds, contain many nutrients, high in fiber, good source of antioxidants. 1,83,340 hectares of yield, and 20 uh, 20,000 2 lakh 9,010 tons of production in Pakistan. Pakistan is a large producer of cauliflower, mainly grown in Punjab. Post-harvest losses of corn flour due to the immature or over-mature stages, mechanical damages, moisture, weight losses, poor harvesting techniques, careless handling due to the uneducated labor, poor packaging and transportation conditions. Introduction of onion allium kappa, scientific name. Important condiments used in all household are the all the year round. Around onion bulb is a rich in phosphorus, calcium, and carbohydrates. Grown in Pakistan on the area 131.4 thousand hectares with the production of 1.8 million tons. Growing districts are Kasur and Bahari in Punjab, Hyderabad, Badin, etc. Post-harvest losses of onion loses much or 50% of its onion harvest due to the post-harvest losses, poor post-harvest practices, and especially during transportation. The last slide, introduction of green chilies. Chilies are also in sodium and cholesterol free, teaching vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, a good source of potassium and folic acid area under green paper. Pepper production was about 1.8 million hectares. The total production of chilies was 1,45,856. Post harvest losses of green chilies. Post harvest leaving green chilies at ambient temperature for 24 hours after the harvest resulted in 13% weight losses. Proper cold storage after harvesting at the farm is one of the major limitations. Now the post-harvest losses in green chili most important temperature and storage conditions with environmental conditions. Jazakallah khair. Thank you.